In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for online exam 2026 full guide. With online exams evolving fast and platforms rolling out AI resistant question styles and tougher remote monitoring, the smartest move is to use ChatGPT as your practice arena long before test day. I'll walk you through a focused, ethical workflow that turns ChatGPT into your strict proctor, your scenario generator, your mistake analyst, your essay planner, and your pacing coach. First, simulate the real test environment. Anxiety drops when the conditions feel familiar. Tell ChatGPT exactly how to behave. Act as a strict university examiner. I am preparing for my upcoming closed book online exam on macroeconomics. Generate one challenging application-based question at a time. Wait for my answer, evaluate it critically based on accuracy and depth, and give me a score out of 10 before moving to the next question. Treat each question like the real thing. Respond in full, then read the critique carefully. Ask it to push difficulty as you improve so you're always challenged. Next, train for conceptual anti-Google questions. These are scenario-based and require combining multiple ideas. Paste a concise chapter summary and use. Based on this study material, generate 5 conceptual, multivariable situational scenarios. Ensure the questions require analyzing a problem and applying multiple theories together to find the solution, matching the latest online exam trends. This builds the exact reasoning muscles modern exams test. When you miss a question in practice, don't just memorize the answer. Paste the prompt in your response, then say, "This was my incorrect answer to this exam question." Break down the exact logical error I made. Explain why the correct answer is right and why my reasoning failed. Then give me a memory trick to avoid this mistake on the real test. You'll correct the root cause and walk away with a durable fix. If your exam includes essays, speed, and structure matter, share the prompt and ask, create a clear, professional outline for an essay answering this prompt. Include an introductory thesis structure, 3 distinct supporting body paragraphs with core arguments, and a strong conclusion template that I can adapt quickly under a strict time limit. Practice turning that outline into complete paragraphs against a timer. Finally, master pacing. Provide your exam parameters and request. My online exam has a hard 60-minute time limit. It consists of 30 multiple choice questions, 5 short answer questions, and 1 case study. Create a precise minute-by-minute pacing guide detailing exactly how much time I should spend on each section, including a 5-minute buffer at the end for review. Rehearse that schedule until it feels automatic. Important reminder, use ChatGPT only for preparation. Do not use AI during a live exam. Platforms can detect it, and violations carry serious consequences. Use these drills consistently, and you'll walk into exam day confident, calm, and ready. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.